guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the all-new Cuktech 15 Ultra. As you can see right here, it's so nice guys, look at this box. And now, let's unbox this right away guys. Let's unbox this. Wow. This is the power bank guys, look at this. It's such a slick design, as you can see. It's grey and black, sorry. Wow, and it's written 15 Ultra, as you can see right here. It's so cool guys, and there's even a screen here. Let me long press the screen. Cuktech, as you can see, and the display, it has colors on it. It's not just black and white, it has colors guys. Oh my god, it's so cool. Look at this guys, it's so cool. Wow. And the best part is you can charge 3 phones at a time. I mean 3 devices. It can be 3 phones, maybe your GoPro, iPad, or your phones, or maybe tablets, computers, anything guys. You could charge 3 things with this power bank. Wow guys. Now let's see what's in the box like. Ooh. That's all guys. So this is the packaging. I'm guessing this is the power bank. It's a pouch for your power bank. Cuktech, as you can see right here. Cuktech. Such a cute pouch, and let's just try guys. Let's see. It fits guys. Okay, you could just put this in your pouch, your backpack, and you could just carry this around without scratching your power bank. Oh my god guys. And this is the cable to charge your power bank. It's Type C to Type C. Guys, for the Cuktech 15 Ultra, it could charge an iPhone 16 Pro Max up to 58% in just 30 minutes guys. That's how fast this power bank is. This is tested by Cuktech, and it can also charge the Galaxy S24 Ultra up to 62% in just 30 minutes guys. That is crazy guys for the power bank. This is such a powerful power bank. Oh my god, it's an amazing power bank. And guys, talking about this, let's test it out guys. How fast can it charge? So guys, right now I'm gonna try charging my Galaxy S24 Ultra by plugging in to the Cuktech 15 Ultra, and I'm going to plug it into my Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see right here, it's charging. Yep, it says here. As you can see, there's 3 ports right here. I'm just using one on the port right here. So as you can see, there's only numbers and voltage on this port. The other 2 is blank because I'm just using 1. So if I plug in 3 devices at the same time, 3 of this will have voltage and I could view it. So yeah, and you can see right here, my phone is currently on 4% battery. And I'm going to see how long will it take for it to be 5%. As you can see right here, I'm going to unlock it and I'm going to show you guys. It's at 4%. And now it's 5 guys, as you can see. It's at 5% right now. So yeah, that's how fast it takes to charge the phone. It's just like a few seconds and it's already 5% guys. So yeah, that's how powerful the power bank is. It's a 20,000 mAh power bank. It could charge your phone multiple times. So basically for this power bank, if I bring it anywhere, I feel safe because for example, I'm going for a trip or traveling. When I bring this power bank, I feel like I don't have to think about my phone battery dying all the time, because you know what, I have this with me, so I feel safe, you know. I could charge it multiple times, and the best part is it's the slick design guys. I feel like it's not that heavy, it's just nice, and the design is nice, it's perfect, and there's even a grip here guys. Basically this is a grip design, as you can see. It's like a grippy design so that I could grip the power bank easily. And as we talk right now, my phone is charging at, it's currently at 7% charging. So yeah, you see that. As we talk, just a few seconds, it's already 7%. It's up by 2% from 5% just now. So So yeah, now I'm gonna test it with 3 devices. So yeah, let's test it out with 3 devices. Alright guys, I've already prepared 3 different devices for me to test out with the Cuktech 15 Ultra. So the first device I'm going to charge is the iPhone 14 Pro, as you can see right here. Okay, it's charging the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm gonna charge it. The iPad Pro, which is a little bit bigger. Alright, it's charging right now. I'm gonna put this aside. So basically, if 3 of these devices are charging at the same time, you're able to see the screen. 3 of this port is in use, and I could see the voltage of 3 different devices. So yeah, and from my experience of Cuktech power bank, because I've collaborated with Cuktech before, and I've used the devices almost daily, and I really love it from my own experience. This is just an honest review from me. So previously, Cuktech has sent me the Cuktech 20, which is a 25,000 mAh power bank, as you can see right here, and Cuktech 10, which is a smaller version of this Cuktech 15 Ultra power bank. So yeah, I have basically 3 of this power bank from Cuktech, and I really enjoy using it. Like, I'm not even like lying or anything. This is like my go-to power bank right now because I've used Cuktech for quite some time and I really enjoy using it. And also, the power bank will not get hot after using for a long time. That's a really cool thing, and I think Cuktech really did well in this. Like, they really improved their technology compared to others' power bank. So yeah, I really love their power bank. So guys, after using this power bank, the Cuktech 15 Ultra, I think I'm really satisfied with this power bank. The main thing is it has ultra fast charging, guys. It supports that, and if you use the Cuktech cable, which comes together with the box, that cable supports fast charging, so you may use it after purchasing the power bank. So yeah, I'm really impressed, guys. It can charge any devices, starting from laptops, tablet, phones, drones, GoPro, and many more stuff, guys. It is like a multi-purpose charger, and it's super durable too, guys. The quality is amazing, and I'm really impressed by the power bank. And also, back to the topic, is it worth it to buy the Cuktech 15 Ultra? From my previous experience of Cuktech, it's amazing. I use it almost daily, so I would really suggest this power bank as well. Out of all these 3 power banks, I'm gonna do a comparison, a real quick comparison. Cuktech 20, Cuktech 20, Cuktech 15 Ultra, and Cuktech 10. Out of all these power bank, I'm going to arrange from the smallest, medium to the biggest. Okay. So if you guys are a light traveler, you guys would like to use a power bank for easy-going power bank, carry on, Cuktech 10 is suitable for you. If you guys are looking for a more powerful power bank, a more a bigger mAh power bank, you could get this, which is 20,000 mAh. This is the Cuktech 15 Ultra. And if you guys would like to charge your laptops and would like to use your power bank more, I would suggest the Cuktech 20, which is the 25,000 mAh. It's big, but it's worth it to bring along. You feel super safe bringing this along, alright? So yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys would like to purchase this power bank, please check my description down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video